Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your dishwasher won't turn off and keeps running, then it's likely an issue with one of the switches or sensors. In this case, the control board is waiting for a specific condition that never happens. It's best to observe and identify which scenario is happening. 1. It still runs when you open the door. 2. It constantly tries to drain. 3. The wash cycle keeps restarting. And 4. The drying cycle is too long. In this episode, first we'll learn how a dishwasher works. Then we'll troubleshoot each scenario. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. Let's begin. Most dishwashers work in the same basic way. It's a tub with a spray arm that showers your dishes with water. There's an element to heat the water, a pump that circulates and sprays it, and another pump that drains it. By combining these simple components in different ways, the machine creates its various wash cycles. Let's take a look at a typical pre-wash, main wash, and rinse cycles. When you start a program, a pre-wash begins. First, the drain pump runs to clear any dirty water from the sump basin. Next, power is sent to the inlet valve, which fills the tub with warm water. This cycle does not use detergent and is usually heated only through the hot water supply. Once it fills, the circulation pump forces the water through the spray arms. The spinning is driven by the water pressure. This washes away any large food particles. Next, the drain pump runs to purge the dirty water. During the wash cycle, the tub fills with water again. For a high temp or heavy wash setting, the heating element will raise the water temperature to improve cleaning performance. Next, the dispenser releases the detergent, which dissolves into the water. The circulation pump runs and sprays the dishes. This will run for up to an hour. Then the drain pump clears the tub. Next is the rinse cycle. The tub will fill and the dishes are sprayed again. Rinsing, and on some models added heat, help remove any remaining residue. Finally, the tub is drained and the dishes dry. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the Reliable Parts website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your dishwasher and where they are located. If the dishwasher doesn't stop when the door is opened, then it's a good sign that the door switch has failed. The door latch has a switch that signals to the control board that the door is closed. A faulty latch might press this switch even when the door is opened. You can inspect the switch for any mechanical damage or test it with a multimeter. You can see more in the video linked below. If the dishwasher continues to drain even after the tub is empty, then it could be one of several problems. Some models have a bottom pan and a leak switch. If water leaks into this pan, then it will trip the switch and the drain pump will run to purge the system. A faulty leak switch can also create problems even without a leak. You could see more in the video linked below. Some models have a pressure switch that monitors the water level. If the switch is faulty and the control board thinks that the water level is too high, then the drain pump will run. In other cases, a faulty or stuck float switch will also cause the pump to stay on. You can see more in the videos linked below. In many dishwashers, the control board will monitor and adjust the cycles to ensure that the dishes are cleaned. The turbidity sensor checks for particulates in the water. If it's faulty, it might signal that the water is dirty even when it's clear. In this case, the drain pump will run and the wash cycle will start again. You can see how to replace this in the video linked below. A faulty pressure sensor can also trigger the drain pump to purge the system and begin a new wash cycle. And you can learn more in the video linked below. In some models, the drying cycle might be extended if it never reaches the right temperature. If the heating element or the limit switch fails, then it will prevent the dishwasher from heating. A faulty thermistor can misread the temperature, which can also extend the drying cycle. And you can learn more in the videos linked below. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our reliable parts locations. Thanks for watching.